Destiny 2 players have been able to access the final shape expansion early. It appears that PS5 cloud streaming provided early access by mistake. We tracked a number of notable price drops on Apple's M3 and M3 Pro MacBook Pro machines for Memorial Day, many of which are still live for you right here. But we just spotted the silver 16-inch M3 Pro model with 18 GB of RAM and a 512 GB SSD drop down to 201. I'm a few days into using the new iPad Air 2024A, and there's one missing feature that's nearly ruined Apple's latest tablet. Let me explain. I tried out Amazon's new Fire TV voice search, which injects Alexa with new AI-powered tools to help you find what you want to watch. The age-old pursuit of looking at the heavens is finally getting an upgrade. Hogwarts Legacy is very much not a live game, nor does it seem to be adding any significant paid DLC in the future. But some new stuff is coming. Microsoft has been showing off benchmarks and tests of how its Copilot Plus PCs will beat the MacBook Air. The tests were shown at Microsoft's campus. Tencent-owned Supercell seeks to revive fortunes with mobile battle game Squad Busters. Anthropic's Claude can now interact with the world of APIs and deliver personalized solutions. Google is releasing 7 new Android updates, including the ability to edit Google messages up to 15 minutes after they've been sent. Search is a foundational platform the modern web was built on. In 2 to 3 years, 1,000 times more power. There's going to be an incredible amount of progress, then the cows are out of the barn. BMW updated the M3 sedan for 2025 views, giving the model a refreshed exterior design, new interior trim, and a more powerful all-wheel drive competition model. Fallout 76 has found a whole new world of players thanks to the popularity of Amazon's Fallout TV series. Google Fitbit has just announced the new Fitbit Ace LTE Kids activity tracker. This new model takes their existing inexpensive $79 Fitbit Ace 3 activity tracker up to a full-blown smartwatch-level device based entirely on the Google Pixel Watch 2. The iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro are expected to get some display changes. Here's what's believed to be on the way, thanks to the ever-grinding rumor mill. With the release of iOS 18 later this year, Apple may again borrow ideas third-party apps. This time it's Arc that could be among those affected. Nothing Phone 2A just launched a unique and colorful special edition that sold out in just a few hours. We're less than 2 weeks away from WWDC 2024 for another edition of Apple's annual conference for developers. Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 Season 4 launches today, May 29th, and Activision has published the patch notes for fans to check out all the changes. Samsung has announced that all of its Wear OS-based Galaxy Watch models will get one UI 6 watch in beta in June. ARM Holdings on Wednesday unveiled new chip blueprints and software tools to help smartphones handle artificial intelligence tasks, along with changes to how it delivers those blueprints that could help speed their adoption. The PlayStation 5 generation is officially the most profitable Sony console generation to date, according to new data shared by the company. Google's generative AI flubs could erode consumer trust in the company that's synonymous with finding accurate information online. French AI startup Mistral, which has backing from Microsoft Yale, has released its first generative AI model for codec called Codestral. Here are all the top-selling games for April. Can you guess what's no? Chrome OS 125 is hairy, and if you're unboxing a shiny new Chromebook Plus or power washing your devices, you'll notice a few pages during the onboarding setup dedicated to the new AI features available on Chromebook Plus. Google has been improving the OOBE out. The latest model of the Dell G16 gaming laptops, featuring the 13th generation Intel Core i9 and the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 Ti, is on sale at $300 off from Dell. A U.S. district judge awarded Activision a $14.5 million default judgment against many defendants of cheat creator Engine Owning, who never responded to the lawsuit. Cambridge researchers have shown that members of the public have little trouble in learning very quickly how to use a third thumb, a controllably prosthetic extra thumb, to pick up and manipulate objects. Apple's first ad for the new M4 iPad Pro didn't go over well. Now, instead of a hydraulic press, it's taking a more human-centric approach with worlds made on iPad. Following yesterday's full reveal of the Galaxy Ring, we also have news to share on the Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra and Galaxy Z Flip 6e, both of which hit the FCC as well. Apple TV subscribers that own Android phones have to watch on the web. Dear Abby weighs in on a woman waiting for her boyfriend to propose, and siblings who didn't come to their brother-in-law's funeral. Call of Duty Black Ops 6 will be available across all Game Pass tiers, Microsoft has confirmed. No shops or shortcuts means it'll be a new survival challenge too. Here's one thing that Italian longevity expert Walter Longo says he doesn't plan to change, even if it could increase his chances of living longer. Apple stands by enhancing the durability of its iPhone and other devices, even if repairability becomes expensive and harder for users. Google has started rolling out its Playables feature on YouTube. During Sony's Game and Network Services business segment meeting presentation, new PlayStation CEOs Hideaki Nishino and Herman Hulst spoke about live service games, PC releases here, and much more for the first time since being appointed. Over the past couple of months, there have been rumors that Samsung is launching the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Matty Benedetto is a one-man brand that has mastered brand deals and keeping his audience happy while never running out of ideas. Apple's next-gen operating systems will feature Project Grey Matters, bringing a multitude of AI-related enhancements. We have new details on AI features planned for Siri, Notes and Messages. Custom GPTs are free to use, but you still have to pay to make them. Spacetop G1 replaces the screen of traditional laptops with floating virtual screens via built-in X-Real AR glasses. How often do you turn your iPhone or Android smartphone off? Not often enough, says the NSA as it issues a security warning to all users about zero-click attacks.